So any of you motherfuckers cheap like me, and have you ever wondered how you could take your stock dirt bike and make it sound bad as fuck, like it's got that FMF muffler, but without even having one? Got it. Check this out. So if you cheap motherfuckers who don't like spending the money on good shit, don't. That's what I did. Yeah? You hear that stockness right there? You hear the stock? Now for you cheap motherfuckers, as I am myself, watch this. Spark arrestor? Nah, fuck that. We don't need that shit. Wake up the neighbors? Fuck yeah, let's do it.